I don't know about you, but you know when they say that makeup, no makeup look, and I know in the last couple of years with everything going on, a lot of people have been wearing less makeup and kind of looking to that makeup, no makeup look. Well, I always struggle to get that look because it just seems like no matter what, you can tell I got makeup on. I have a heavy hand, so I just feel like I never can quite achieve that look. But this brand, that is what they are all about, is that minimalist 5-minute makeup, no makeup look. The brand is 100% cruelty free. Everything is vegan, and they are also gluten free. They did reach out and asked if I wanted to try these and did send these over to me complimentary to try out. This is not a sponsored video, and so thank you so much to Merit. If you want to see how I created this look and hear a little bit more about each product, then keep on watching. Here is what the box looks like. So it's nice because this acts as not only a reusable bag, but also as packing protective, so then you don't have a lot of extra in here. Can be purchased either at Sephora or on their website. They are the same price on both sites. However, their own website, they do have sets that you can buy, which are not available on the Sephora site. I have the brush number 1. It's the blending brush, and this one is made in China. Here is what that looks like. It's about the size of my palm, a little bit bigger. Brush handle length is just the length. The handle itself is 3.5 inches, and this retails for $30. Feels pretty soft. It's not real densely packed like a kabuki, but it feels like it's pretty tight in there. So the foundation is called the Minimalist, and it is a perfect complexion stick. Ooh, very sleek packaging. Described as a medium coverage, and they do have 20 shades available of this. The retail on this is $38 for 0.13 ounce or 3.7 grams. And then it just has a twist up to get more product out. That is made in South Korea. The shade that I have, if you are similar to my skin tone, is Linen. I am in my 40s and I do have dry skin. There is fatty acids in here, is one of the key ingredients, or highlighted ingredients, which is supposed to help condition the skin and lock in moisture. Okay, let's see how this looks so far when we blend this out. I'm thinking the color is a pretty good match. Okay, it's blending out pretty easy. I wasn't sure, like it feels creamy going on, but I've actually had product that felt a little bit creamier, like the Lancome foundation stick. That's pretty creamy when you put it on, but this actually seems to be blending better than that did. Really, there's no, universal, I feel like, definition for a clean brand. They go off of the list. So in the EU, they're a lot more strict about what products or what ingredients can be in their products that are brought into their country than we are here in the US. And so this brand goes off of their list versus the US list. And it's not considered a natural brand of just natural ingredients. They use both natural and laboratory made ingredients because their philosophy is that not all natural products are good for your skin and not all synthetic products are bad for your skin. I think if you have dry skin, you'd probably want to go over it at least with the sponge. It seems like that just adds a little bit better hydration in. This is the Flush Balm. So this is a blush, but I'm going to try and see what it does on the eyes as well. There's 5 colors of this, and this retails for $28 for 0.31 ounce or 9 grams. And the color I have is Cheeky. This is made in South Korea. So here's what that packaging looks like. You screw off the top. It kind of reminds me of those lip balms that, ESO? Was that what it is? The lip balms? Anyway, this is described as having a radiant finish and being light coverage. I do have hooded eyes. Blend up. Oh, okay. Very quick to blend out. It almost feels like if you have used a cream eyeshadow stick, you know how you could just put that on and then blend it up. It's almost like that, but it's even more of like a sheer, like you're getting color. So I don't want to say sheer, but it's not, it's even a lighter feel than a shadow stick. All right, I'm just going to go to the highlighting stick. And if I just take a little bit of it, well, that feels really creamy, and just go under my brow bone. Ooh, look at this. This is the Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade. But look at how sleek and fancy and luxurious. This, I would have thought that this was a concealer pin at first, you know, like the clicky ones. Very nice. And this is made in the US. Ooh. So I got brown, that is described as light to medium cool brown. There is blonde, which is described as a blonde with cool tones, or there is a black brown, which is described as dark brown / black with warm undertones. There's the wand. I don't smell anything with this. Yeah, you can feel that you have a little bit of a product on, but not much. I doubt that this will make your brows feel crusty or anything, just because you can't really feel it going on that much. Very, very lightweight. I mean, I got full brows, but I feel like that definitely gave it some volume. Oh shoot. Okay, I should just pay attention and not do that while I'm talking. I'll have to clean that up. But, so you can see there is some color on there. See, I did it on purpose so you can see just the color. I feel like I'm totally getting, I can see why it says, why it's called 1980. I feel like I'm getting Brooke Shields from the 80s, her brows. Do you agree? Let's try the mascara. This is Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. This is made in South Korea. Ooh, I like this packaging. Speaking of packaging though, you know, like I said, some of this feels like the plastic. They do try to minimize the amount of virgin plastic they use. Because here are some facts about plastic. Did you know? I did not know this. This is, when was this? This is from a stat in November of 2021. Only 9% of the world's plastic is actually recycled. That is sad. Single-use plastics are illegal in some parts of the world. So, you know, again, like when they say not virgin plastics, it's usually that they take plastic, recycled plastic, and like melt it down. I don't know the whole process, but I've watched a couple studies on it. I'm not talking about Merit specifically, but just in general, when places are not using virgin plastic, the special that I watched showed that they take the plastic and they melt it down kind of into pellets or whatever, and then those are melted to make a, you know, new plastic or new product, even though it's not fully new 100% plastic. Did I explain that well? I don't know if I did or not, but there is one color of the mascara, black, perfect black. This retails for $26, and this was in Allure Beauty Award winner as well. This is a tubing mascara and fragrance free. Is what the wand looks like. So kind of a bushy, not as bushy though as like the Better Than Sex or the Essence Lash Princess. It looks like it is creating a nice fluffy lash. Okay, I think we can see a difference. Also has fatty acids to help condition the lashes as you're using it. There is no bronzer in this line. If you are one that likes to contour or bronzer every time, then I would say that you probably could get a darker shade of the foundation stick and do it that way if you wanted. I'm going to clean off the brush with the color switch thing here. And that way we can try the blush with the brush and with my fingers and see what we like better. It says you can just put it on. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's try it with the brush. Like, it just gives a nice rosy glow, even with, actually, even with putting that much on and thinking like, whoa, at first, I feel like it's shearing out. Well, it kind of looks crazy when you first put it on. Okay, so when I'm putting it on with my fingers, I am noticing that it's taking off some of the foundation. Now over here, I'm not noticing it as much, and it seems like it's a little bit harder to blend out. So let me try with a sponge. I probably would not personally use my fingers for it. Let's see if we just tap it on the apples of your cheeks. Just see what that does. And let's just add a little bit more up here. And there's no scent in the blush. Nope. Let's see in the foundation. I don't smell any scent in that either. Champagne color, or this is Bounce. This is a rose gold. So this is supposed to illuminate and give you a glow without sparkle. A little bit of scent on this one, but I'm really having a smell to get anything, but there might be a slight one. This retails for $30 for 0.14 ounce or 4 grams. And where is this made? This is made in the US as well. Put this on anywhere you need dewiness, which my dry skin, I'm gonna like the dewiness. Okay, so can you see that? All right, that goes on really, really creamy. Very, very creamy, easy to blend. And it does have so it's domed, it has a twist up to get more product out. Option, you can either use the blush, or they have a tinted lip oil. This is Shade Sleek is what it's called. And you have the clear component with the gold cap. The color I got is Pink Beat. Beat. And this is made in the US as well. There's 8 colors and it retails for $24 for 7 ml or 0.23 fluid ounce. Infused with rosehip oil. I'm not really, there might be a little bit of a scent, but I'm not really getting a scent. So here is what that looks like. Oh, yeah, that's nice. It definitely feels like a lip oil, very hydrating, very easy to apply. Let me swatch these for you. The foundation concealer stick, again, this is linen. Maybe I should turn down the lights now. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Love to have your feedback. What do you think? Do you think the brighter light that I had before is better, or the more toned down light is better? Like, which one? Light A, which is the bright like I had, or light B, which is this light? I'm not sure. So there is, this color again is linen. Here is the blush shade, which obviously can be used on your eyes or lips, and Bounce, the highlighter. Man, that highlighting stick is so creamy. And there is the lip oil. I probably still have some of the lip oil on, but just to kind of see. Yeah, I like the lip oil better. I would love to know what you think of this minimalist look. Is this for you, or what's your thoughts on this? This is one of the trends for spring, where you're either having over the top eyes or like more minimal look. Thank you again to Merit so much for sending these over for me to try out. I really appreciate it, and I am happy and I'm excited to start using these some more. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to kind of binge on some beauty content, then you can go ahead and click on the videos that are popping up on the screen now. And I hope that you will consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. You can click on my face right here, and that'll take you right to the subscribe button. And thank you again so much for watching, spending some of your day with me. Have a good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever and wherever you're watching this. Thank you. Bye.